Carla, when your mother make rounds on the app, you know you come out. Oh, somebody can argue with someone who doesn't have any shame. So if you were endorsing Happy Wife and her behavior as a child to a mother back then, expect to listen and heed and reap the repercussion away everybody has said no. I told people you're just like your mother. It's a pity when I don't look like on a heart. I remember when you came out and you endorsed. When you see Zandrama come up and class me and talk how she lose everything in her storage. Zandrama not living a life. She's not living any life. And she has a lot to tell people. No man, I'm not cuss Emmy, no my baby. I'm not cuss Emmy. Don't think so. No man. Emmy a good girl. Emmy a good girl. I'm not cuss Emmy, man. I would never cuss Emmy. Emmy a good girl, man. No man, Emmy a good girl. I'm not cuss Emmy, my baby. But I'm not cuss Lando either. But what I'm saying is this. For the other females that were out there, we feel said this is okay. Lando might get away with it, but you might not. So if you feel like this is okay, it is not. Me not cuss them, but it's shocking. And we're going to talk about it and use them as example. No, I'm not cuss them. She not done in a situation already if they not get no better. She done in a situation already. You see a lady come on campaign. Yeah. She done in a situation already. But for others out there who believe that this is okay, when I always say this to no. I remember with Owie and Nisha. And Owie took Nisha from her mother. And Nisha was willing to go to build a life with her man. Young, wild and free. And what happened? What happened? Nisha never get a chance to live out her life because of some illness. You understand me? But Owie got a chance to live his even up to today. So what is it going to be? No, it's true. So you sit here and you're willing to sacrifice, and it's not that the man is wrong or he's right, but I am just saying this. The life that God has for you, is it that you should delay it or share it with another so quickly? What experience does God, what experience is it that God wants to give to you? But a lot of people always do this, subject themselves, shorten your days. If the thing is not welcoming to your spirit, because this is the type of energy you have, if this is not up to the scratch of your energy, avoid it. Avoid it. But no one hear them something here. No one hear, oh, a girl real when she build with a man, and oh, a boy look a white girl for give him the plan. Oh, it's just the truth. So you see, me not care about the world we want to talk, you know, because the world have to talk. The world have to talk. Anyhow it had been, me see Jamaican man leave and go foreign, and white girl a take said pan them or angle them away. You know when people in their comments say as Jamaican, me not lie. I saw it go when tell you licky. I saw it go when man no want work. I saw it go when man no ambitious. I saw it go when man no this. So if we know all of this, why don't we encourage our young men to be better men so that our grandchildren, our granddaughters can get better husband than what we ever get, better BFR than what we ever get. These are not family men growing up. These are just me one life and me I look like. Relationship is a competition. Everybody want to make it before them spouse. Me not ask you. Me talk this every single time. Every time I talk them something and nobody listen to me. Nobody listen, nobody don't hear. It not sit well with someone because I don't know it's the truth. It not sit well with someone. Mix up Monday, me see happy wife daughter come out and put out a video. Anybody see video? Sidebar a bit. Anybody see video with happy wife daughter? When she put out the video about mommy? Yeah, somebody say yeah, two persons say yeah. But she say everybody I wish dead up her mommy. Come here, Carla, let me say something to you, baby. You see in life, Carla, you are the daughter of the individual. I understand perfectly well. It not sit well with you. It not happy. And not something good for hear. You understand? Not something good for say. Well, Andy, let me play this. Mix up.
Somebody please tell Ivani say, at the rate where she go, she can dead before happy wife. How can you dare come on the internet and ask if the woman are dead yet? Like, make it make sense. I do not support or endorse no way you say Ivani. You are of the devil and you are so negative. Even though TikTok is the breeding ground for all negativity, TikTok love negative content creators. So who never swear Ivani say or hear what Ivani say, this is what this unscrupulous creature say.
Yeah, she a die all long and all now. She have eat the woman. Every day me open my TikTok, me she said she had it, she had I eat her, yeah. I tell to see a post say yeah. Go on now. Go on. Go lay to rest. I know nobody tell me eat the woman chat back.
Y'all know that me and happy wife will have history. I will go down some of the deepest and the biggest pocketary here on social media. But me coming out and wishing death on her would have been the last thing I would have ever said out of my mouth. And I still would have said even if I have the chance to say it. You feel me? Because guess what? I can't bring forth a life. So why mother want someone to die? Like, be for real. Ivani has always been this type of person. Always a negative, unscrupulous. I don't even know what's the most suitable adjective to describe Ivani at this point, because every negative adjective can describe.
Then use a noun. Use a noun. You can use a noun or a verb.
Ivani's character. These are the type of people we want to support. These negative type of people. You see, if you support someone, you are exact.
Alright. Add that and no coffee, add that message long enough.
Sometimes I see people rejoice and say them can't wait for happy wife, them can't wait for mommy pass. But even though it is very insensitive, the truth is all of us are going to experience that one way or the other. And that is a must.
That is not what the person is saying. First and foremost, it's intelligence. That's not what the person is saying. If someone wish death upon an individual, it doesn't mean that they plan to live long. They know that death is coming to their door. Now, what is it exactly you're trying to say before you go through all of these epistles of sympathy?
What is true is this. Mommy, death now go benefit you. Any at all. Because if
we all know that. We all know that. Whether it benefit one person in a happiness or benefit them in a guilt, it will benefit them some way. So we all know that say it's beneficial. But let us go, because you are the daughter, you know.
Successful, when mommy passed, they are still successful.
Yeah, we know
if you have 6 house, 10 goat, 6
so yeah, come.
when mommy pass. You see, if you pick them not live good, and all they're good for bagger, that's a children. When she pass. So the truth of the matter is, our mother is a stalwart. Our mother is a mother where, though she might say some things with mighty God, sometimes I have to raise my eyebrow and scratch my head. She's a mother even on her back.
We didn't say she isn't a mom. You understand what I said? So she can only be a mother to you, the children that she created. She only can be a mother to you. You have that experience with her. So you have to understand where the outer world is coming from now, girl. If me place myself on the app like a batty boy, me expect a man out the road for see me and say, Shebada, where your woman there? And from me come up me at about 25 inside and me go suck this and suck that. These are the stuff we're talking about. Now me can't bother listen because all of this are just sarcasm. You know, and psychology. So me can't bother listen to that. No. When Ivani say happy wife not dead, if happy wife not dead, that's something that way you wouldn't say, that's something that I wouldn't say, that's something that she wouldn't say. But if Ivani feel for say it, let Ivani say it. Ivani have a reason why she's saying it. It doesn't mean that Ivani wrong or right. That's how Ivani feel. That is how Ivani feel. So me not understand now. If Ivani want come out and say we're so cocky Shebada there, cause him lick out batty like that. Me not lick out batty, but if I saw Ivani feel, I saw Ivani feel. All me have to do is come up and say Ivani and a batty me lick out a shit me eat, you know. You understand me and done the story. Now, Carla, when your mother make rounds on the app, you know you come out. Oh, somebody can argue with someone who doesn't have any shame. So if you were endorsing Happy Wife and her behavior as a child to a mother back then, expect to listen and heed and reap the repercussion away everybody has said no. I told people you're just like your mother. You're just like your mother. It's a pity when I don't look like on a heart. I remember when you came out and you endorsed your mom before talking to your mom. Not even you can talk to your mother because she doesn't listen. These are your confessions. So why you have a problem with what anybody wants to say? And I'm pretty sure she must disgust you as a child at times to see your mother behaving and being bashed and dragged like that on the app. So you explain all of this. So what's your case? What's your case? I tell you, son, I don't like to hear the truth. Happy Wife has not painted a good picture nor leave a good mark on the internet. People going to drag her. If Ivani say if the woman is not dead yet, King shouldn't even come out and say so, because not even Happy Wife are grateful of her living today during her sickness. She died and she's praying to go home. She's praying to go home. So where Ivani could have said, oh, Happy said differently than how Happy Wife feel. So when just want Carla just want to take up where her mother leave her. And I just saw me see Carla, no disrespect. Your mother boasts about your intelligence, but apparently you can't reason. Yeah, because drawback for the video with you say, me don't know how to follow up one woman, so me don't know how you follow up Ivani. Ivani is just like your mother. You're supposed to identify this and move with it. You're supposed to say Mummy 2.0. Eh? You just said it when everybody had drag your mother. You never come up and talk like you feel away. You come up and state a defense. Only for somebody when have no shame. If your mother don't have no shame in her life, she not have no shame in her date. Hello? I'm telling you, son, do everything for the app and then come back run and cry cream. And that is just the truth. Happy Wife are the only one. Your mother go through ass dead and cow fat. Why you not tell your mother, say, Mommy, come in here you hold and go down in the Bible and go down in a prayer. Mommy, come. Go home. You not say that. But you listen to everything. Where the people them step on the app about your mom. Your mama not iconic. I'm sorry, but she isn't. What lesson have you learned in your mother's situation, Carla? What does it profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? Now care what your mother do on the app, she still not get credit for it and her way going home. So what stalwart is your mother? Who have any idea? Who can identify that? Who can attest to the stalwart that your mom has been? They say only you. Your mother rock with pain and I talk about cartel, you know? And I don't see the reason why they are talking about Dick Tama and your mother still in a business under medication and pain. What does that say? Humiliation, sacrifice. Until death, the lady allowed the devil for blind her. That is all I'm talking about. You know, see all of them something for an intelligent girl. If with Jesus I'll make it and death belongs to everybody. Why not hold your mother and pray for her? Why not call your mother on the phone? Why your mother not sitting on the phone for hours and you talk about Jesus? And then go down into the Bible and she have the Bible up in her hand like how she have her phone. That's your mom. That's your mom. You can't expect others outside to look and care about your mom. That's your mom. That's your job. You can't bad up people on the outside to do it. No care. I made one of the first one with class Happy Wife. until happy wife say X, Y, and Z, and she need for call upon the Lord, and all of that happy wife never sit down and reason with them and say, people, God is good enough. Because you know, say, me feel like me I go home and God want me, He want me to talk to somebody. He want me to reason with somebody. Why would not allow the devil for blind, you know? Like how the devil blinds and drama towards Apple money. Because I don't know why Apple have too much money and learn. Apple have too much money and learn, Apple little wig pan her head favor cap. Oh, me don't know how una do it. When I must not know say Apple a thief. One thing with Apple, Apple mixed with bad man, batty man, straight man, gay, lesbian, Indian, chief, lawyer, doctor. Apple a judgment walking. Una never know. All inclusive, every wrong bang. You know, here Apple say, Bonnie, you think you can manage me? Apple just a twang and a wig come from Shein, $40. And Apple feel confident underneath that. Apple feel confident underneath the $40 twang, you know. Then Zandra, I'm going to talk about Apple, you help all batty, man. So Zandra, man. Yeah, wow. I want terrible sodomite. You know? I owe this, I send my request. I wish boy this one mode me.
Right?
No, we haven't. Not gone by the shop. You haven't. Boy.
Oh, baby, I pray in the background.
Just number one.
See, I'm my speed that, you know. Cutie. My speed. That's something like when my man them look beat up. Him look like him did that Thursday night at the fight. For sure. No, that's something like when my man them look beat up. You see like when him look like you send him go shop and you see him come here one day. What do you? I said, what not do man? Oh your face swell so my face not swell. It's who beat you up. Nobody can beat up something like my man them. So him look beat up. Oh Lord. Mister when all him smile don't look real enough. You see him smile well, him look nice. I wonder if him got inbox me, him lip wet though. Him not trying but I look for no kiss, you know. Oh, him lip wet. Him not have no head. Yeah. You afraid a little while though? No man has something like how them look man sometimes. All him know you send him go shop and him not bring back your change, you just turn back way and say go and deal with this. Yeah. No man. And you know say all my thing you say him a turn me and especially when him smile at me and when they for serious him serious. You know, me when they for serious him serious and him smiling and that's my man. I like them so me not partial. One thing with my crashes is not prejudice. My crashes is not prejudice. I give everybody a blind. Well anyways I will catch Uno. Me a come on later. Little more. Cause me no want him call me back.